Now, if you're a fan of XLM or Stellar, the chart's looking pretty bullish right now. Especially from a long-term perspective, I think it's pretty easy for this to hit $1 in 2025. If you don't know who I am, my name is EQ. I've helped over 1,300 people learn how to trade since 2021. And if you want to come trade with me, you can always check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. There are a ton of free resources on the website as well, including crypto, forex, and stock macro dashboards. And then if you want to grab an all-access free trial, that'll give you access to the academy, community, buy and sell signals, and all the other stuff. Now, at the moment, we are currently holding on the 6180 Fibonacci, which is considered the golden pocket. We've also had a liquidity sweep into the EPIQ golden pocket. So this means that based on the Fibonacci retracement to the extension, we could easily see this push into the take profit 2 to take profit 3 range. Now, just to take a quick little peek, take profit 2 for this is at about 96 cents. Take profit 3 is at about $1.17. And this is just on one impulse move. This isn't saying that this is going to be the all-time high for 2025 or for Stellar Lumens for that fact. And this is exactly why I'm saying that it's relatively achievable to hit $1. And from current price, that's over a 3x move. Now, MACD and CCI are showing oversold. Meanwhile, the volume flow is going to be in a convergence with price action, which means that it's moving in the same direction and in harmony. And at the same time, we're seeing the potential for a hidden regular divergence, which is going to be higher lows on price action, and you're going to be getting lower lows, more specifically on the MACD, which means that you're going to see a lot more exhaustion. You can even see it on the CCI as well. So when I zoom in on the MACD, you can see lower lows. And when I go into the CCI as well, you can also see lower lows. Those are going to be signs that this trend is extremely exhausted and ready to go into a continue phase into the uptrend because this is a Fibonacci retracement. This is all based on a continuation pattern. Now, what I'm really waiting for is for this to get into a bullish crossover based on the EPIQ crossover strategy. We're still in a bearish crossover at the moment, so I really do want to see this start to flip and potentially find a support, hold, and a confirmation before we swing to the top side. But all in all, I do think that XLM can do very well this year, considering that it likes to move with XRP. And whenever this lawsuit wants to end for XRP, I think the sister project is going to move by its side. If you learned anything in this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. That'd be greatly appreciated. If you're not, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. If you want to come trade with me, go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening whenever you watch this video, and I'll see you on the next one.